Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys like the new Model 3, the refresh styles. So technically usually we see it like, when you place the order, you go to the Tesla website. As you can see right here, this is their website right here, brand new Tesla Model 3. You can see you go all the way down, and then it doesn't matter what color you pick, right? They give you like a time frame when they are going to deliver your vehicle or when you can pick it up. Right here it says March and April 2024. So right now we got today's the last day of March. So but I just happened to glance through like on the inventory, and guess what I found? So here, as you can see on the top here, the first two, those are older styles, but the one to the right of it, that's the refreshed model. So if you're about to buy, you want to pick up the new model right away, it's here, it's ready. So some of it could be in your area depending on where you live. Enter your zip code on the top, and then within 200 miles, and then it will show pops up. Here we do see quite a bit. So this one is a stealth gray color. It's a rear wheel drive, so you get 232 miles per charge. Top speed 125 miles per hour, and 0-60 is 5.8 seconds. I don't know if they have like the long range version, but we can certainly go through this. And I see right here, this is the older styles, and these are the newer ones. This has even in blue color as well too, and starting about $39 under $40,000. And we just go down. These are all rear wheel drives. Okay, so we haven't seen all wheel drive yet, so hopefully we'll see one soon. So these are the new ones, and then these are the old ones, the old style. Okay, again, these are older one too, so maybe we don't have a newer long range. So yeah, so as you can see right here in the inventory, for the Model 3 one, and you see the long range, they do have it, but it's the older style, and they only have the new versions, which is the rear wheel drive. But look at the red colors here, 42,000. Let's take a look, see where it's at. So if you have the money, you place the order, you might be able to pick it up today. It actually gonna show you if we go through the whole process right here. It says right here, Model 3 rear wheel drive, 248, probably the wheels bigger, 125 mile per hour, 5.8 second, and it says here eligible for 7,500 EV lease incentive and business tax credit only. Right, so if you have a business, you're qualified, you can get the 7,500. New vehicle, so it means hasn't been registered to anybody. So the ultra red paint, which is really nice, it replaces the multi-red, which I have. And it is upgrade of the wheel. This is the 19-inch wheel instead of the 18 that comes with it. And this is the premium black interior and basic autopilot. And you can also opt in on getting enhanced autopilot or the full self-driving, which is $6,000 and $12,000. And as right now, if you pick up a vehicle from Tesla, Elon Musk has stated that all of the new Tesla, the sales people will have to demo the full self-driving with the customers. So in other words, he just wants the customers to experience the full self-driving, which I did, and which I made like a couple videos before this one right here, and it has been great. It actually took me from one place to another with zero intervention. So from my house to Papa John's, and from Papa John's coming back. There's a certain spots where I thought it was difficult, but the car was able to handle it pretty good. So when you go down here, you can pick like the wall charger, the mobile charger, whatever you need. And again, with the warranty, 4 years, 50,000 miles. That's the basic one, and the battery 8 years, 100,000. So you got the Model Y, you got 8 years and 120,000 miles, right? So right here, it shows you where the locations of the vehicle is at. So it's in transit coming soon, but it's in Marina del Rey. So most likely, if you're gonna get this one, you might not be able to pick it up today. So just make sure you check. So let's see, we can go to maybe somewhere that already on the lot that you can pick it up. Sometimes it shows you towards the end, available for pickup today or right away. So who knows? Right, so check this out. This one is, you can pick it up in Upland right here. So available for pickup immediately. So again, this is the new vehicle, and today is the last day for you to get the 5,000 supercharging. And if you do have a Tesla to trade in, they give you another 5,000 supercharging, so bringing a total of 10,000. And if you are a Tesla, you have a Tesla reservations for the Cybertruck, you can apply another $1,000 on top. So yeah, there's a lot of bonuses going out today. So if you are in the market for a Tesla, I think this is the time to buy. As a matter of fact, my brother just traded in his 2021 Model Y, and he just picked up a 2024 Model Y. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you like the content, feel free to give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more content about Tesla. Other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.